Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I would like to share with you what I'm doing. I am making empanadas and I'm using ground beef. I used my ingredients, so you can use whatever ingredients make your ground beef taste good to you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill these up with the ground beef. So let's see where I can set my camera right here so that you can see. And the ones I'm using are these, the Goya empanadas. Okay, they come frozen, so I mean, they have them in most supermarkets that I know of. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be filling these up with the meat, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to be closing them. I have onions in here and sofrito, you know, my ingredients, but you can use whatever you want. So I am going to just, remember, don't overload this because you're going to be closing it, and you can add some cheese to it. I do have some mozzarella cheese there. So let's just put a little bit of this meat onto each one like that, okay? Like that. I'm just doing 4 for the video, but I'm going to make a lot more because I have another package of meat. Oops. Alrighty, so let's do these 4. So I want to put some cheese on there. You know, I should get something to tilt my camera like that. I've been meaning to, and I know that I have something, but I just haven't found it. So here's my mozzarella cheese. I'll show you in a minute. I'm just gonna put some of this on top of here. Just a little bit, not too much. Okay, I just want to show you how I'm going to be closing these. Okay. So there, place this here, and maybe, let's see. Okay. I think you can see it better if I place the camera on this side, like that. Right there. Okay. See? Okay, so I'm going to be taking this and I am going to be closing it, and with a fork, I have to flatten it here, and with a fork I'm going to be sealing it like this. I know it looks like a little bit of meat in these, but I didn't want to fill it up too much because then if this breaks while I'm frying it, but I'll probably, you see what I'm saying? From here to here, there's meat. So I'm going to do the same thing to these. And the rest, I guess I'll fill with more meat because I have a lot there. But this was the idea. This is what I mean. So after I make all of these, what I'm going to do is freeze them and then grab them whenever, any day I want. You know what I'm saying? They could last in the freezer for a whole month. Anyway, that's it. So I hope that you try these out. They're really, really good. And thank you so much for watching.